Lens formula case 2. For virtual image. Convex lens, virtual image. First we draw a ray diagram. In triangle A dash B dash O and triangle A B O, angle B dash, angle B 90 degree, angle O common. In triangle B dash or angle B is 90 degree, angle O is common. Then triangle A dash B dash O is similar to the triangle ABO. So we can write A dash B dash upon AB is equal to OB dash upon OB. Equation number 1. In triangle A dash B dash F and triangle KOF, triangle MOF, triangle MOF, angle B dash is equal to angle B is 90 degree, angle F common to both, hence A dash B dash, hence triangle A dash B dash F is similar to the triangle MOF. So we can write A dash B dash upon MO is equal to B dash F upon OF, equation number 2. But by diagram, MO is equal to AB, hence A dash B dash upon AB is equal to B dash F upon OF. By equation 1 and 3 we get 1 and 3 we get OB dash upon OB is equal to B dash F upon OF, equation number 4. We said OB dash upon OB is equal to B dash F upon OF dash. By diagram, OB dash upon OB, we can write B dash F like B dash O plus OF. But OB dash is equal to B, OB is equal to minus U, OF is equal to F. By putting this value we get V upon minus U, V plus F upon F, cross multiply, BF is equal to minus UV minus UF. Or VF plus UF is equal to minus UV. Divide both sides by UVF we get. Divide both sides by UVF we get. The equation is, I think so, the equation is UF minus VF is equal to UV. Divided both sides by UVF we get. One upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to Y upon F. Magnification. We also calculate magnification. Magnification. The formula is M is equal to, we want to prove H2 upon H1. Image distance to object distance. Image distance to object distance. M is equal to image distance to object distance. By equation 1, A dash B dash upon AB is equal to O dash B dash upon OB. In triangle A dash B dash O and triangle AB. This is the equation 1, we have already get it. Now we put the value H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon minus U. So magnification became H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. It is the ratio in between image distance to object distance.